So now all the way to KK here today. Yesterday we have done this Mount Kinabalu hike. I'm at this Tamparuli Sinalau Bakas. What is so special here? They have this wild boar. Come, let's check out. Oh yes. Kak, mau tanya macam mana order
Minta sini lah.
Oh, minta sini. So ber kg atau macam mana?
1 kg 30.
1 kg 30.
Ya.
Oh, 1 kg 30. Okey. Apa ini ya?
Nasi.
Ini nasi lah. Oh, ini nasi. So yang apa sini yang apa sedap ah?
Daging.
Daging.
Sup lagi oh.
Oh, ada sup lagi kan? Kak, kita mau order campur-campur punya. Toh 1 kg, 1 kg ah. Kok I think bagi 2 kg lah.
2 kg.
Okey.
Oh, sup lagi?
Ada sup lagi?
Ada di dalam.
Kita makan di dalam sana.
Order di dalam.
Oh, order di dalam. Oh, Oh, yes. Oh, api besar-besar.
Balik Kota Kinabalu.
Sila. Sedap. Nasi merah 7. Okey. Bang, kita mau order ini 2 kg.
2 kg.
Campur.
Okey.
Nasi merah. Nasi merah. Oh, nanti ya. Kak, tanya sini pukul berapa sampai pukul berapa?
Di sini buka jam 9, tutup pukul 7. Pukul 8.
9 sampai pukul 8. Bila tutup? Pukul Ahad lah?
Ada tutup.
Tak ada tutup? Tiap-tiap hari ya? Monday sampai Sunday buka? Okey. Sini ada apa sup?
Ada sup biasa yang begini RM6.
Oh, ini RM6 lah. Sup biasa ini campur-campur lah.
Campur isi.
Namanya total?
Tulang.
Oh, so ambil ini ambil 4 lah.
4, yes, 4 sup. Minuman sini order.
Ya.
Lundus ada?
Ada?
Ni ya Lundus lah. Ni 吃就知道了. Saya mau 1 Lundus.
Oh, yang ni kalau tuak.
Ni banyak yes. Yes, ini. Mau. Checking out the tuak here. But as you can see, the color is very different from our tuak in Penang. I don't know how it tastes. Let's check out. Of course, it's a bit soury. The smell, by the smell of it. Very much different. They don't have the sweet ending, and a bit of this soda-rich feel. Something very special. Nice.
德农是一个地方来吗？
德农是个地方哦，所以隔壁德农啊是一个地方的隔壁啊。
这边是本地的咖啡。
你喝了给我知道什么味道啦。我没有可能拿来。我不要放你的脸啊，我放一般般啊，可以吗？
这样子啊。
这样子对对。
买，回去冰城喝。
Steady you. Oh, this is the rice. Oh, merah, the red rice. Thank you. You can see just now the rice is red rice, and it's actually the localized rice. Let me check out. And the way that they actually use the leaf to wrap this up. Hey, just now as you can see at the barbecue, this is the roast wild boar, roast wild boar, and then we ordered the mix and match. The way they barbecue it is very nice, and the proportionate of the lean meat and also the fat is actually very well balanced, as you can see. Packed with char grill aroma. Very chewy. The bite taste is very chewy. Wow, because it's wild boar. Of course, it's very chewy. Now, let me check one more slices. Just now I didn't try out the chili sauce. Now let me try out the chili sauce. It's a bit dilute. It's not our type of chili sauce. It's very thick one. This is very dilute. Very appetizing, sourish, very good. So checking out the soup here also. Wild boar soup. Wow, very nice and very refreshing. Refreshing. It's not too thick and it's very. It's very savory. And just now, as you can see inside, they serve together with coriander, and I can see some shallot inside. Oh yes, I think they also pack with their own herbs. It's very nice.
两个人一碗啊。
See by holding. So for my own personal preference, there are two stores here, and actually I tried both stores, and this is the second store is the one that more preferred. The reason behind is that the char grill aroma is there after the barbecue, and also there is the tenderness and also the juiciness of the meat is there.